big though? Is it like this or is it like thicker?
He should be a medic.
Come on!
Aye, sir.
You too, man.
What I need you to do is quick. Point and a half. What is that? What is it? No, we can do better than that.
Yay!
Just count to 60 if you really can't get them untied.
Okay, that'll work better.
Hey guys, come on over here. We're going to do some training.
Bravo, stick with Josh. He's going to train you on some key stuff real quick.
Right here on the rig.
Couple days ago.
QRF today, quick response force. Let's try not to waste ammo. Unless there's a guy blatantly in front of you, try to keep it on semi. Don't spray. It's imperative. Can't be losing guys because we don't have ammo. And if someone runs out of ammo, try to share. It'll come back.
Bravo on the right.
Bravo on right, Alpha on left.
Alpha's always going to be on the left, Bravo's going to be on the right. I know two people have to work a bit like that for now. And whoever was point man, we were going that way, you'll be rear. Kristen up here at point. Try to stay close. Jog it out to one run. Copy. And walk back. Contact right!
Contact right!
Cross the river. Bravo! Bravo! Over here! Bravo, moving! Moving! Bravo, only! Bravo, only! Right here! You're out! Get back over here! Go! Hey, Bravo, we're in contact. Part 1-1. Go ahead and do single follow L. All right? Go.
That good?
Alpha, sit tight! Bravo, come on, 2 goals! Yo, let's give you the deep on the right, come on! Last man cap!
Medic.
Medic?
Marcus.
Jesus.
Grab that wounded guy and bring him back here.
See him at that tree one shooting?
Someone grab that wounded guy and bring him back here. Let's go. Someone get a medic on this guy.
I'm a medic.
Right here next to me.
All right.
Let's go, Bravo!
Hey, I'm crossing cover. You suppress me? Hey, suppress. I'm gonna cross. What's up? All right.
Two at a time! Shoot, move this way. This is covered fire. Hold it. Keep pushing through. You're going through. I need 2 more guys from Alpha.
Of the pond.
Hey, rest of Alpha! This way! Moving! Alpha, let's go! That way!
Rifles up, let's go. Don't let him push in. Bring your rags in the swamp.
Stay down! Guys, get low! Get low!
I got 2 people right down there.
Al, we're getting hammered this way, dude. Or fucking Ryan, we're getting stuck, dude.
Got 3 that way.
Let's go, Alpha, go!
Frank, go ahead and go.
Alpha, let's go!
Yeah, let's go.
Guys, Alpha, move! Alpha, move!
You guys gotta move.
Not Alpha. All right, go ahead and go then. Go ahead and go.
You Alpha? Prepare to get wet!
How deep are we going?
Guys, try to stay in Ranger formation, please. Can't get bunched.
You good?
Yeah, just trying to breathe. The normal.
Go ahead.
Don't punch up. We're good. We're good.
That shit, I saw that shit.
Good. That was loud as fuck. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Whatever you've done to do again.
I think I lost my brain.
Oh yeah.
Sorry guys, how you doing?
Smells fresh mighty.
Hyman, let's take these bunkers. Get some 360 defense up.
Highly doubt it. There ain't no one back here. Yeah, I should cool my feet off. Huh? Yeah, I know. Cool my feet off. Just so I'm moisture regulated. Bad thing about
All right, take Alpha left. Move it out when you're ready. Bravo on the right, Alpha on the left.
I think there's water in my shoes.
This is better than blue-gray.
Oh, yeah. Blue Gray was that bad?
I had to lead a squad
it was
for that, too.
bad.
That was fucking crazy, dude. The AMS staff are the biggest fucking cops. They don't even know what they're doing. I was surprised. You were on yeah, I was swamping.
Fuck you, track. I have shin splints and it hurts like a bitch.
Oh.
Take them left. Let's not get bottlenecked.
You got rear?
Probably going, oh, no, crazy.
Yeah.
Wet.
Yeah.
Actually, I got wet, but it feels dry now. It's in my sock.
Rainy.
I don't worry. No, I was not going to pay $500. That's fucking stupid. No, it's not worth it. I've already been on fucking Don Shipper's ribs anyways. It wasn't that great.
What happened to the town?
I was mad at him.
Guns up! Guns up! Guns up!
Bravo on the right!
They're not there, we're going to go with them.
All right.
Stay close to them.
Alpha and Bravo, fall in, let's go, let's go.
Right now. Hey, you need some help?
I feel like Bravo's a lot bigger than Alpha.
Hey, buddy, you need some help?
Probably doing the count up. There's like, where's 3?
I already know now.
They have to know what they're talking about. This happens every single time there's a big game. I always get separated.
My people need this.
Okay, guys, we're gonna double back to North Pond Trail through here. So going to switch sides.
Are we
Alpha
going-
and Bravo.
Are we going back the way we came?
Yeah. Like this contact and way back. Like there's no one.
Bravo this side.
Alright guys, try. I know it sucks trying to get through this, but try your best to stay in your formation, your line. It sucks. We got no space, but we're going to be going up North Pond Trail to help support 1-1 again. So.
You gotta head back. We're gonna take the dryer way.
Yeah. All right.
It's no fun. Yeah, but it's wrong.
All right, you guys good? You guys good? Yeah. All right, let's go. Hey guys. Try to stick tightly packed. We're not going to do any spacing since there's a lot of us. We're supporting 1-1 and they're expecting contact, so keep your eyes open and call it. But don't call online unless you're getting shot at, alright? Josh! Josh! Hey, you got that? Hey, we're expecting contact up here. Just try to keep them forward up. We're gonna be bunched, but we need to move, alright? Alright, let's go guys.
I wonder if anybody's ever tried to come out here barefoot. Watch your step, Dad. Hello, my well, we know not to walk on that side.